day by day increasing users of fitness tracking band, and Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is one of the leading fitness tracking band. I have one. I am using this band for last couple of weeks. So today in this video I'm going to share my user experience. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. Before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's jump to the video. So let's check out the box. As you can see, black box, and here's the front brand itself and pipe branding. And right side, as you can see, here's the main feature showing here, and in this back some informations, and in this left side, as you can see, it's display and water resistant. It has a special feature for female psychological cycle recordings. So let's unbox it. Another box here, and pull out to open. After opening, as you can see, it's packed with this band. I will talk later. And then here's the charging cable. I think, yes, it is very good quality plastic, and it is magnetic charger, USB to magnetic charging. Then another component. Here's the user manual for this band. Actually, it is a big user manual. So let's talk about this Mi band. It's wrapped with plastic. This band is very lightweight. It is only 11.9 gram. So even if you have it on your hand all day, it will not feel like it is in your hand. This band strap made by high quality silicone material, so it is very soft and lightweight. You can use third party custom strap also, but not a strap from previous version Mi Band 4. It has one touch button which is work as a wake up and return button, and it has 1.1 inch AMOLED display which is 20% bigger than previous model Band 4. Display resolution is 126 by 209. Display color depth is 16, which is a downgrade from previous model, and maximum brightness is 450 nits and 5 level adjustable. I'm using 3 level of brightness, and its outdoor visibility is very good. It has preloaded 3 watch spaces, but you can add more 3 also. You can use your photo as a watch space directly from Mi Fit app. It's mainly for activity detection, so it has high precision 6-axis sensor, low power consumption 3-axis accelerometer, and 3-axis gyroscope sensor. So it detects 11 type of activity like outdoor running, power walking, cycling, indoor running, full swimming, etc. It's also waterproof, so you can swim. It has PPG heart rate sensor, so it can monitor 24 hours of your heart rate. It's work very accurately. It's also monitored sleep for 24 hours. If you sleep in day, it count as a naps, and night it count as a night sleep, and it tells you about your sleep quality, which is very good. It has a special feature for women. It record and warn you about menstrual cycle, which is also good option to have. And it has stress monitoring, breath exercise, and PAI is a stand for personal activity intelligence, which give you total score of your health conditions according to activity. It has some extra feature like music control, so you can control music from your hand. It work even on YouTube video. You can use as a camera shutter button to take photo on mobile remotely. So finally, let's talk about battery. It has 125 mAh battery, which is also downgrade from previous model, but you can use normally up to 14 days. If you use in power saving mode, you can also use 20 days. For charging, it has big improvement because you don't need to open and close capsule from strap. Just attach magnetic charging cable and it starts charging. It takes up to 2 hours to charge fully. After that, I think it is good to buy on this price. But if you have already Mi Band 4, I suggest you to don't buy Mi Band 5 now. Wait few months for Mi Band 6. I think Mi Band 6 will come with massive changes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next video.